How does a vertical platform lift work? Hi, I'm Mark Holat with Bruno Independent Living Aids, and today we're going to answer that question. To operate a vertical platform lift, simply open the optional platform gate and roll into the platform. With a simple push of the button, the lift smoothly and quietly lifts you to the next landing. As the lift rises, the ramp retracts automatically, creating a safety barrier which will prevent a mobility device from rolling off of the platform. The optional platform gate offers an additional level of security for standing passengers. Once you reach the upper level, simply push open the top landing gate and exit onto the landing. To come back down, simply reverse the process. Vertical platform lifts are available in a variety of platform sizes and have exits available on multiple levels. Consult your local Bruno dealer for the application that will work best to fit your needs. In a standard configuration, the optional platform gate would be removed and the user can simply roll in. However, the gate offers an extra level of safety and security, so is highly recommended. For more information about Bruno vertical platform lifts, visit us at bruno.com or contact a local Bruno dealer.